Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this tutorial, I have tried to visualize the screen size concept of Tailwind CSS, and during this video, I would like to draw your attention to the current screen size which is mentioned in the top. Like right now it is 1590, and the screen size mentioned inside the card. Please keep your eye on the top and also compare the pixel mentioned inside the card. So we will reduce the size slowly. I hope you are comparing the changing screen size in the top and pixel mentioned inside the card. Yes. So we are in the lower point of the screen, which is less than 640 pixel. Thank you for watching.